Welcome to Bauna's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you all my traditional Gujarati recipe known as Khatta Pura. It is basically sour pancakes, and this is the recipe I prepare when I know that my next morning is going to be really busy. So the night before I just prepare the batter, and the next morning all I have to do is just prepare some pudlas quickly. So let me show you how I prepare this recipe. And by the way, my kids totally love this khatta puras, and I'm sure your kids will enjoy as well. So do try out, and I'm sure your family will enjoy. Here I have all the ingredients ready to prepare the batter. 2 cups of rice flour, chawal ka atta, 2 tablespoons urad atta, black gram flour, 1 teaspoon methi powder, fenugreek powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, haldi, 1/2 tablespoon ground coriander cumin, dhania jeera powder, salt as per your taste. Mix all dry ingredients really well. Add wet ingredients, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, or you can add as per your taste, adrak, green chili paste as per your taste, hari mirch, 1/2 cup of plain yogurt, sour yogurt, dahi or curd, and now add water and prepare the batter. Here is how the batter should be. Cover it and let it ferment for about 6 to 8 hours or an overnight. Longer the fermented, better it makes the puras. And I usually prefer to ferment overnight. So now that I have fermented batter ready, I'm going to prepare the puras. Let's check the batter. Give it a good stir. Alright, so the batter is ready. Now you can prepare plain khatta pura, or you can also add some herbs like methini bhaji, fenugreek leaves, or spring onion, hari dungri. So you can add those for extra flavors and nutrition. Even spinach, you can add spinach and prepare khatta puras. So first I'm going to the plain one. Heat up the pan on a medium to high heat. When the pan is nice and hot, pour the batter into the center and just move the pan around to spread the batter, like so. And remember to cook them on a medium heat once the pan is nice and hot. So as you can see how quickly this one is forming those holes, so that shows the best pura and also shows that the batter is well fermented. Take a look at the close look. Drizzle oil. So now you can see that the holes all over the pura. So when the first side is done, carefully flip the pura. Be sure to have a good pan for this recipe and the spatula with the sharp end, so you have fun making this pura. And look at this. This is the right texture that you are looking for. Again, cook on the other side properly. And exactly the same way, I'm going to prepare my rest of the puras. When the other side is also done, take it off of the pan and serve immediately Some people do like cold puras by spreading ghee on it, but we usually serve immediately. So I'm going to continue making rest of the puras, and I'm also going to add some fenugreek leaves in my next batch. So I'm going to show you. So as you can see, holes again on this pura as well. So as I said, the rest of the puras come out great. So here I have some fenugreek leaves. I'm going to add finely chopped methi into the batter. Give it a good stir. So as I said earlier, you can add spinach. Here I have methi batter ready. So here I have my second pura ready as well. And look at it. And now let's make with methini bhaji. I actually don't like this pura plain. I mean, masala is there, but I always like to add some spring onion or methini bhaji or some kind of green herbs to get extra flavor in these puras. So again, drizzle oil, and I'm going to cook on both sides. So you saw how quick and easy it is to prepare this recipe, and this sour khatta puras are one of my favorite to prepare at least once a week. People these days think about carb and all that. For those, you can add some besan, chickpea flour, or you can also try with some quinoa flour. I have already tried with quinoa flour, it works great. So you can just come up with your own twist to make it more healthier. And so here I have my pura with methi also ready almost. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. And you can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. Thanks for watching and see you soon.